Okay, super cute box. BoxyCharm.
They friends get dropped like weight. Team love don't want no hate. I'm grinding, I'm shining, up, I'm on my way. They gotta never settle. This view is so much better. I'm chilling, I'm winning, like on another level.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I uploaded a video. I just kind of got caught up in this thing called life. So as you guys may know, it's quarantine right now because of COVID-19, also known as the coronavirus, is going around. Thank God I'm healthy, you know, like I'm good and everything. I hope everyone is good and, you know, your family and loved ones. So yeah, as you guys can tell, I am doing a BoxyCharm unboxing. I'm really excited to do this. I was really excited to get the subscription in the first place because it was something I was interested in for a while. Okay, so I was a member of Ipsy and I had that type of subscription, or I had a subscription with them, and you know, Ipsy was good and all. I've had it for over a year. The only thing is I was just getting tired of like travel size products opposed to BoxyCharm that has full size products. You still get the same amount, 5 products in both, you know, companies. But the good thing about BoxyCharm is you never get under a $100 value. So it just makes me think that, like, you know, the products are very good and just like they're high-end products. So let's get into the video. Please, excuse me. Okay, so I was kind of like eating fries before this. Hand sanitizer. Okay, and we're back. So let's get into BoxyCharm. So yeah, I was just really excited to get the subscription for this month. So this is what it comes in. Super cute box. BoxyCharm. Okay. So you open it up. It's very cute inside. It looks exactly identical to the one Kylie gets. I was like, is this like a PR box or packaging, like, or does everyone get it? No, everyone gets it. It has their @name, a hashtag that you can use BoxyCharm. I'll probably take a picture like this. Or, oh, this should be the thumbnail. Okay. So yeah. So it did come with like these styrofoam pads in the inside, I guess, to keep, like, if you have like glass products in here, to keep it from like click clacking together and stuff and breaking. So let's start with the first item. I got a BoxyCharm eyeshadow palette. I was really excited to get this. It says, "Hello, Charmer." Oh, so cute. Okay. I was really excited to get this. These are the colors. It is super duper cute. I love it. I cannot wait to try it. These are some super fun colors, so I can't wait to do looks and, you know, like record makeup tutorials with it. That was like really exciting to get. Then I also got a glow gloss by Becca. Oh my gosh, this is my first time trying a Becca lip gloss, so this is really exciting to receive as well. This one is in the color rose gold. So this is actually my second time recording this video because I had like technical difficulties in the first one, but I'm gonna show you guys the swatch. I'm not gonna do the swatch again, but it's rose gold. It's super duper pretty. Yeah, I'm actually not wearing it today. I haven't used it yet, but I will obviously. I will be doing a review on that too, just so you guys can kind of see how it looks, I guess, on my complexion, and if it's something that you guys are thinking about doing. Also, I will be putting in the description link the name of the items and like the colors and everything, just in case it's something that you guys are interested in getting. Excuse me. The third item I got is a body wash infused buffer by Spongellé. It's a French lavender one. So this is the packaging for it. I'm like all over the place today. And it smells so good. It actually smells like French vanilla and lavender. But this is a sponge, so This cleanses, exfoliates, hydrates, and massages the skin. I'm really excited to try that too. You can over exfoliate, but you can never have too many exfoliators. So I'm gonna save my favorite item for last. But anyway, I also have this Makeup Meltaway Cleansing Balm by Farmacy. It's the Very Cherry Clean one. So it comes in this little packaging, and it has this like spatula that it comes with, I guess, to like dip out the balm. And it smells so freaking good. Look at it. Oh, I wish you guys could smell it through the camera or screen. Oh my gosh, it smells so delicious. Like, I would literally eat it if it was edible. Okay, this is my favorite item. So let me tell you guys something about BoxyCharm. So when you guys like register for it, they're gonna do this whole like filling out your profile thing, getting to know you, your skin, and what type of products you like. So they obviously give you skincare products, and you get to address like what are your main like concerns with your skin, what kind of products you would like to receive. So one of my problem areas is under my eyes, like the bags, puffiness, darkness. So a little story. I follow this girl on Instagram, and I have been watching her story for a while. She's like really into skincare, and I remember her posting this one specific product on her story saying that it helped her so much with like her under eyes. I had screenshot it. Tell me why I received it in my BoxyCharm. This is why I love BoxyCharm. That's never happened with Ipsy. So I actually received it in my BoxyCharm, and I've actually already started using it. I can't give you guys, you know, like any feedback yet because it's only been like a week, but so far it's been pretty good. But I will definitely let you guys know how everything worked out with the product. But the magical product is the Murad Hydrating Eye Cream. It's the Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture for Eyes. It's for hydration, but it also says that it helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and restores smoothness. So it comes in this little small container, and then the eye cream. But yeah, I usually use this in the morning, and I have a different eye cream that I use by Neutrogena for the night. It's supposed to be a like a rapid accelerated retinol like cream, so I use that one for night. But I use this one during the day. So yeah, it's a really short video. You know, I hope like you guys like the video. But yeah, those are the 5 products. I'm like really in love with it. I would definitely give BoxyCharm a 9.5 out of 10, but they did really good. I was really happy with my first monthly subscription package, and honestly, like, I'm super excited to see like what else I'm gonna get, like, you know, next month and everything. But yeah, let me think. Oh yeah, so let me compare Ipsy and BoxyCharm for you guys. So Ipsy, you know, you get the 5 products, same thing as BoxyCharm, but Ipsy, I think it's only like $10 a month, which explains why you only get like travel size and sometimes a full size product. BoxyCharm is always full size products, at least a $100 value, but it's $27 a month. But I think it's totally worth it because if you're really into makeup and skincare like me, I spend way more than $27 a month. So getting 5 products, $27 a month, and I already have a bunch of skincare and makeup, like, it's not like I necessarily need to keep going shopping every month, so it's just like kind of already doing that for me. I think it's a great investment and buy. I'm trying to think what else. I feel like that's really it. Like, if you guys have any questions, I can't talk. I think it's because I'm like about to get ready for this online class, so I'm like kind of trying to speed this video up, but I'm definitely not trying to rush my time with you guys because I love you guys. But yeah, no, I really do like BoxyCharm, and you know, if you guys have any questions about the products that I received, or just BoxyCharm in general, I can definitely answer them. Just make sure you comment below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me your feedback on the video, what you guys think. Let me know about your experience with either Ipsy or BoxyCharm because I would love to hear it. I don't know if I'm going to go back to Ipsy. Oh, one thing about Ipsy, they're so funny, but it was great. Like, you know, I get it. They're trying to keep their customers. When I was leaving, they were like, oh, please don't go. Like, we'll give you next month for free. And I was just like, no, I want to discontinue my membership with you, my subscription with you guys. They're like, we'll still give you, like, they sent me an email later, like, we'll still give you that 1 month free if you come back. And I was just like, I appreciate it, but I want bigger and better things. I'm on to full size now, honey. Just kidding, but yeah, I'm really excited to use all of these products, and yeah, I'm just super excited. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, please, like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for my upcoming videos.